Hello and welcome. Here are 10 factors you should consider when growing your tomatoes. Number 1. The location for planting. Water proximity should be as close as possible to the planting field to avoid added costs of pumping water. Then number 2. Previous crops planted. Tomatoes should not be planted immediately after potatoes or pepper, and a 3-month break should be observed to minimize on the risk of diseases and reduce the cost of disease management. Number 3. Soil and topography. The soil should be deep, well drained, loam with optimal pH of 6 to 6.5. The land should be gently sloping to facilitate drainage, especially during the rainy season. Number 4. Transplanting. Here, the spacing should be 45 centimeters between plants and 60 centimeters between rows. Number 5. The fertilizer. Here is the fertilizer program for tomatoes. Phosphate fertilizer such as DAP or Yara Power at planting, urea or CAN at the vegetative stage, and triple 17 at flowering stage. Urea should be added 2 to 3 weeks after transplanting, and CAN is added at 5 weeks. Triple 17 should be repeated after the first harvest. Remember to make sure that the fertilizer has enough calcium to avoid blossom end rot. Number 6. Watering. Ensure adequate water supply because excessive watering leaches the nutrients. Inadequate water supply leads to stunted growth. Number 7. Tomato support. This is done by tying a plant vertically using a string and poles or sticks. Weeding should be done regularly to avoid competition. That is the point number 8. Number 9 is the pests and diseases. We have pests such as Tuta absoluta, American bollworm, whiteflies, aphids. Those can be controlled using different insecticides. We have fungal diseases and other diseases such as tomato blight, bacterial wilt, blossom end rot that affect tomatoes. And finally, at number 10, harvesting. They should be ready for harvesting at around 60 to 70 days depending on variety. In between time, remember to subscribe and have a great one.